This video, I'm teaching you how to remove background image and videos and be making money for yourself. It's very easy. If you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to the channel, like and comment below to see about this video. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is that go to your Chrome browser. Let's search for company that charge it can make at least $50 to $100 in a day, removing background image for people. For Nigeria, you can use gurus.com. Yes, a freelancer job where you can be doing your freelancer without acquiring any skills. What happens is that you're going to learn the skills on your own. Let's see. Removing background image. Background image. That means watermark, removing background image. Let's see how much they charge in this website. Let's see. Okay. This one charge. Okay. This one charge $8 per one. It charge 8 hours. From $8 to $25 it charge for doing removing background image. And this one charge $5 starting from $25 for each one background image. And we have at least 7,000 people that are patronizing. 7,000 people. So how much I've made just in a year. Calculate it by yourself. This one here is making background image $25. Oh, see this one now. This one is making his own background image for $30. Can be doing this on your phone without acquiring any skill or without putting any money there. It's very easy. This one too is charging $35. Yeah, you can see this Bangladesh guy is charging $50 for doing background image, removing background image. Are you seeing it here? Just very simple. I'll teach you on how to do it on your own. Yeah, this one here is charging $50 for removing background image. Okay, let's now go to sites like Fiverr and see how much they are charging there too. Yes, you're on Fiverr. You go back. Okay. Let's search for a job on Fiverr. Removing background from image. Are you seeing it here now? They have it on their own there. Let's see how much they are charging per one. Okay, this one is charging for one background image. It's charging $5, and you have at least 900 and something that are patronizing. Are you seeing it here? This is. Let's check it here. Okay, they have 998 people patronizing just for doing background image with your phone. You can do it with your phone. This one is charging $10 for removing background image. You know the image I'm talking about? Like, let's say you want to remove TikTok background image from your photos, yes, from your videos. You can be doing it for yourself. I can easily doing it, be making money online. You can sign up on this website called Fiverr and register there. Also submit your own that you can also do background image. You can also remove background image. Okay, let's go to Upwork. Yes, Upwork is a freelancer where you can be doing your work at home. Okay. Okay, let's search for. Okay, you want to search for. Okay. Removing background image again. Background image. Can be using background image for people and be making money online. Online is very easy. Yes. Upwork is one of the best freelancer. The way you can be making your money. Very cool. But for Nigerians, Upwork does not access Nigeria very fast. You can use Google.com. You can also use Fiverr.com. Make sure you arrange your gigs very well so I can accept you. Okay, check this one guy. This is a Korean man. He's charging $37 for doing the movie background image. For movie background image is charging. This one is charging $40. Let's say you want to do it now. After you have signed up, you make your gigs that you tell them that I can do a background image within 1 hour. Or just say I can do a background image within 5 minutes. They'll be surprised that how can you do it within 5 minutes? Just like that. You see that in 5 minutes they'll give you the job and make sure you do the job and they'll give you the money. Very simple. Like this one now is charging $35 for removing background image. Okay, let me teach you how to remove background image. Yes, the site you are using today for removing background image. Before I go there, make sure you can sign up. You can sign up on Fiverr, on Upwork. Just click on this sign up button. You want to sign up, you click on I'm a freelancer looking for work. You see here, you click on this one. You apply as a freelancer. You put your details and make sure you do not join as a client. As a client means that you want to come and buy it. People that want to come and buy it, your work, I don't know how to come as a client. You understand me, guys? If you want to sign up as a freelancer. I'm looking for a job. Yeah, I'm looking for work. You sign up as a freelancer. Don't sign up as this unless you want to buy people products. Understand me? Like all this work these guys do here. This work they are doing. The company comes to come and buy it. Let's say you two are there. The company say that you can do background image for them. Because the company don't know about it. The company give you the money to come and do it. And the Fiverr they acquire many people that who can do this work and they give them the money and they will do it. That's how it works there. Alright, okay. You can also sign up on Fiverr I showed you before. Fiverr.com. Make sure your spelling is correct. Fiverr.com. If you want to sign up, if you want to join them, click on this join. Okay, you sign up with your email. I want to sign up. You are going to put I am a freelancer. Do not put I'm looking for. Don't put I want to buy products. No. That's what you do. Okay, let me teach you on how to do the background image. You go to the site called bcut.com. In this I can remove any background image, anyone can remove. Like you see some apps and videos, you see they are like apps like this one called, I used to use one app like this S recorder. They have their own logo on their app. You can remove the background for free, very easy. Okay, first thing you're going to register here. Tell them your registration here. You click on edit online. Are you seeing it? Click on edit online. Yes. You can also turn videos to GFT. You need GFT, like small emoji. You can turn there. You can also extract audios just from this site. It's very easy. Very easy. Yeah, this is what I want to do here. Remove watermark. Are you seeing it, guys? Is it remove watermark? You click on this. I want to remove watermark now. Yes. If you want to remove watermark, move it from image or videos, you click on it. Let's say you want to remove it from videos, from images. Click on the images you want to use. You go to your this, search for the image you want to remove. Background for, make sure the images have background. Okay, I don't really have that one for now. But you just click on the images. Okay, this one is not supported. After clicking on the image, let's say you want to remove for video. Let's try one video there. Let's see. Okay, video. Let's look for one video. Okay, let's see this one first. Like the videos are not adding up. You just add the video and you can remove it on your own without doing your stress there. And also download the app from Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store. Learn something new in this video, and you like this video, comment what you have learned so far from this video. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.